Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Puerto Rican macaroni salad. First, gather all your fresh ingredients like bell peppers, onions, and a good quality mayonnaise. Then, cook your elbow macaroni according to package directions until it's perfectly al dente, ensuring it still has a slight bite. Drain it well and rinse with cold water to stop the cooking process and prevent sticking. This step is crucial for a great texture. Next, let's create the creamy, tangy dressing that defines this salad. In a separate bowl, whisk together mayonnaise, yellow mustard, and white vinegar until smooth. Many recipes also include olive juice for an extra zing. Season with salt and black pepper to taste, and consider adding a pinch of sugar if you prefer a slightly sweeter profile. This dressing is what truly brings all the flavors together. Now it's time to bring everything together. In a large bowl, combine your cooled macaroni with finely diced ingredients such as hard-boiled eggs, ham or Spam, bell peppers, and onions. Pour the prepared dressing over these ingredients and gently fold until everything is evenly coated. Cover the bowl and refrigerate the macaroni salad for at least 1 to 2 hours, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Once chilled, your Puerto Rican macaroni salad is ready to be enjoyed. Garnish with fresh chopped parsley or cilantro for a pop of color and freshness. This versatile side dish pairs wonderfully with grilled meats like pernil, roasted chicken, or even a simple barbecue. It's perfect for parties, potlucks, or any family gathering. Remember to check the description below for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.